How to learn R on DataCamp website. Do you guys want to learn R on DataCamp website? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open browser on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the browser, search for DataCamp website. As soon as you enter the DataCamp website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this search icon or search bar. Just simply click on it and search R and hit the search button or enter button. As soon as you enter you'll be able to see this R courses, Introduction to R, Case Study, Analyzing Customer Gone in Power BI, and many other options related to R. Just select the one according to your interest and start your courses. That's it, guys. That's how you're going to learn R on DataCamp website. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.